Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to do some harvesting on my Swiss chard, my beets and my carrots. Today is a very hot day, so I want to do this quickly before the sun gets extremely hot. Come along. First I want to start with some Swiss chard. I like to harvest my Swiss chard and put it straight into some water so that it doesn't wilt quickly. Let me show you. Whenever I'm harvesting Swiss chard, I always prefer to quickly dip it in some water. This prevents it from wilting, keeping it fresh and crispy until I'm ready to either cook it or to freeze it. Having had prior issues with powdery mildew, I'm still cautious as I harvest the Swiss chard. The leaves that I don't trust, I simply toss them aside. This was my entire harvest for today on my Swiss chard. It looks good. And then I moved over to some beetroot. I didn't grow a lot this time, simply because they grow quickly and I don't want to have a lot of frozen beetroot in my fridge. I found a couple of worms in this garden bed, which was a good sign since the worms had been displaced by the termites. Moving over to the carrots. These carrots were also affected by the powdery mildew. The leaves are still white with the mildew, but I'm happy that I managed to get a significant harvest. And then I went on to rinse the carrots, doing my part not to waste water. Then it was time for the beetroot to get a good wash. And that was the reward for my hard work, and also the blessings from nature. This was our harvest for the day. I went ahead and took some time to chop the Swiss chard and the carrot, and then I had to measure everything.
2,000 years later.
I calibrated the scale to measure in grams. The first bag of Swiss chard gave me 411 grams. The second bag weighed at 481 grams. We are a family of 4, so the Swiss chard was a bit much for just the 4 of us, so I had to share it with my neighbors. The third bag was 405 grams. Moving over to the carrot, the first one was 508 grams, and my second bag was 521 grams. Today I harvested 1.3 kilograms of Swiss chard and 1 kilogram of carrots. Hello again. It's been a nice long day and the harvest was wonderful. I've packaged the carrots and the Swiss chard, and I've also shared some with my neighbors. Now the only thing that I need to do is to prepare the beetroot. With all that I've been busy with today, I just want to thank you for taking the time to watch the video. I hope you were inspired to start your own garden, and if you had given up on gardening, I hope you were motivated to come back to our gardening community. Have yourself a lovely day further. Let's catch up on the next video. Happy gardening to you.